Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Landbank mobile banking. First, ensure your Landbank account is active and you have your ATM card nearby. You will also need a stable internet connection on your mobile device and your registered phone number. Finally, prepare your full 9-digit Landbank account number and a valid email address, which are crucial for the registration process. Start by downloading the official Landbank mobile banking app from your device's app store, searching for Landbank mobile banking. Once installed, open the application and look for the clear Sign Up or Register button, usually found on the main screen. Before proceeding, please take a moment to read through the terms and conditions thoroughly, then accept them to continue with your enrollment. Next, carefully input your full 9-digit Landbank account number, ensuring no digits are missed or entered incorrectly. Then, enter the 16-digit number found on your Landbank ATM card, also known as your debit card, into the specified space. You will then input your registered mobile phone number and the email address you prepared, as these will be used for verification. Now create a unique username, adhering to the app's specific guidelines, which often include requirements for minimum length and allowed characters. Afterward, set a strong password. Aim for a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and at least one special symbol for maximum security. Finally, choose and carefully answer your security questions, which are vital for account recovery should you ever forget your login details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.